Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Today we've got Happy Birthday, Karen, an Instagram collaboration. Our theme was Floral Abstract, hosted by Tinkerbell 1970s and painted by Pinky. Here we go. I've got Avon Gel Finish out, and these are really hard to see. This one is called Iceberg White. Very nice. I'll be using the A&E Pro Choice nails today, and I've already applied a sticky base coat to them. We're just going to go right on in with that Avon white cream. Now, it's not like a bright white. It's got like a drop of gray in it or something, so it's a little off-white. Perfect for this one. I am going to top this with I&M out the door. Going to get some nails all ready and ready to play. Okay, now you can see I've gotten some white in my brush. We do not want that going back into the bottle. So I'm wiping it off on a paper towel before putting it back in the bottle. We've got Color Club, and this one is Not So Mellow Yellow. It's a neon, it's got some shimmer in it. And then this orange, Foxy Mama. These are some old Color Clubs, but some favorites. So here we go. I got a little makeup sponge and I've wetted it. I've dampened the sponge and squeezed out the excess water. So I'm kind of doing like a smush kind of thing, but I'm using, instead of using a stamper or, you know, doing it on a little mat, I'm doing it on this makeup wedge. You do it any way that works for you. Got a big old blob of orange on there. And I'm not, there's no rhyme or reason really to this. I'm just going to try to get these colors all on the nails. And let's start with that big old thumbnail. There we go. Going to tap, tap, tap. And just go around the wheel and do as many as we can. And then reload the sponge with some more polish. I am trying to just kind of, I mean, I'm not really doing a pattern or anything, because I do go back and forth and up and down with the sponge on the nails, but I am trying to put the polish kind of in the same spots on the sponge. Just, you know, just to keep me sane. There's no real reason for it. I'm not trying to do like a gradient circle or anything, you know, fancy. I'm just trying to get both of the colors on these nails without it being like a lined gradient. I guess that's what I'm trying to get to. I wasn't trying to just, you know, do like a lined gradient where you're looking for that sunset look or whatever. So we're just dolloping these onto the sponge. A dollop of nail polish. And now we're going to start back with the first one we started on and build these colors up a little bit. You do want to let them dry in between, you know, your coats. Now, I have sped this up quite a bit. So definitely do not work, I do not work this fast. But I sped this up, but I wanted to show how they build up as you do them. And when you do stuff like this, just do it until you're happy with the opacity on the nails. That's what I'm saying. Just do it till you're happy, girl. Or guy. You know, I'm not trying to, you know, say only girls can do this. No, anybody can do this. It's just so much fun, and I really do. I love it just like that. Okay, to save my sponge, I cut the painted end off, and I'll use the rest of it again later. We are going to go over these with some I&Ms out the door. Top coat. TUL028 is our stamping plate today. Bases loaded lacquer on the black is the polish I'll be stamping with. And I'll be using my Faber-Nails stamper and my Maniology scraper today. And we're just going to pick different images off of this stamping plate here. Put the polish on, scrape the excess off, roll it and pick it up with the stamper. And I'm going to use a little piece of tape to get this excess off that I don't want. And then we're going to pick out a nail and stamp it on there. Woohoo! Yes, indeed. I'm going to clean my stamper off on a lint roller and move on to the next image. And I really do like doing this. I like mixing and matching. I don't know. I have a thing for eclectic, and I do like mixy matchy things. Things that look good together, but they don't exactly match. They're not twinning. I didn't want every nail to look exactly the same. Changed out to my H. La Cosadora scraper. And here we go. Love that. Love, love. This is a favorite mani for sure. These look like daisies. We'll just be bopping around this plate, grabbing up some images, slapping them on the nails. Yes, indeed. There we go. Trying to catch those flyaways. I had trouble picking between these two images over here. Looks like we committed to this one here. All right, for the pinky nail. There we have it. All right, time for some cleanup. Got the stamping plates and the stamping mat clean. Get that plate over here and clean it up some more. Stamping black is some messy business. So I'm going to top these with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. Need to kind of seal them in a little bit without smearing them. And I'll be finishing these off with Seche Vite. And then I'm going to let them totally dry before I put them on my fingertips. I really thought this one was cute. Very summer, very nice. So we do hope Miss Karen has a beautiful birthday. And if you'd like to check out the other manicures over on the Instagram, there should be a hashtag listed down below in the description box. So go check it out if you're interested in seeing some abstract florals. So here we go. We're getting this glue tab stuck to the nail so we can apply these tips to my fingers and get our swatch photo. And I really did like this. This is so much fun. So much fun. Here we go. There's my swatch photo. I do hope you enjoyed this one today. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.